Hello. In the air is the STX RC MC38 rear derailleur by Shimano. It came out in the latter part of the 90s, 97 I think specifically. This would have been in combination with the MC40 shifters. So I really like this one. It's probably the last one that Shimano made that has that type of, or at least some of the higher ended stuff. It's the last one that's got that type of polished aluminium. Later part of the 90s they started to do matte finishes. So I'm going to be giving this one an overhaul. So let's get started. So normally this should be quite speed. First thing we're going to do is the jockey wheels. So undo those. Undo the anchor bolt. Small Allen bolt key. I think it's this one. I'm not sure though yet. Hold on. So I think it's a tiny little bit damaged, but I've got it now, so that's good. We're gonna undo that part here. Right. So there you go. You get that tiny little Allen bolt screw inside. Oh, on the side. Twist and turn. It's out. Pop the spring on the side here. What else? We're going to undo this circlip here with the flat-headed screwdriver, and that's going to come out. Up, done. Put that on the side. That's the washer / spacer. Push that out. Looks like that's okay actually. It's got some grease still present on it, and I think I'll take this off as well. I think there's probably a, yeah, there's oh, that's weird. That's really specific. It's another kind of weird spacer. Let's do the full rebuild. Oops. Okay, and then we're going to give everything a grease and a clean. So I've given everything a clean. I started to put some grease. So on this side we're going to go clockwise to latch onto here. There you go. Pushing that down. This, and we're going to put the bolt that was in here back. Take the clip, stick it in, like so. see that you need to put the spring back onto this ridge, which is right here, this part here that holds the spring. You need to lodge it back over. Not a big deal. Oh, slip. So that's done. Okay, so everything's done, all put back together. Lovely, beautiful derailleur, shiny, forged, aluminium, polished, finished. Can't get better than that. So thank you for listening. I hope this helped you restore and service your STX RC rear derailleur for another year. Peace out.